1966 Chevrolet Impala SS two-door hardtop or sport coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Yes, real deal SS. Of course, you can tell by the trim code is one way. It's 873 red SS interior. Paint code of C, ermine white. Underneath the hood, 396 big block. And that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome and the grill. Headlight bezels up front on this one. As far as the engine goes too, it has 66 era correct oval ported heads on it. Also a mild cam. We're going to fire it up at the end of this video, let you hear it run. It's got a little rumble to it. But first, still pictures. If you want to see the still pictures of this car, you'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, they're riding on the American Racing polished 5-spoke wheels, Hankook radial tires, and let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see paint shows well. Nice shine to it. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. You have a couple little bubble spots in the lower spots, or lower parts of the door. Of course, bucket seat interior. Red vinyl. There's that 4-speed, couple aftermarket gauges. We will get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive. There are some kind of pimples on this roof line, as you can see. A few little spots. Panel's nice and straight though. Take a peek at the chrome in the rear bumper. Little scratch that's been touched up above that keyhole in the trunk. Dual exhaust, headers, a few extra pieces that will come along with the center console. Little gauge cluster, some trim pieces, miscellaneous, a jack. We'll put that all back in the trunk and send it along to the next owner. Couple notes from the technician on this one. Does have new tires. Lower ball joints were replaced. Coolant flush was recently done. Wipers do work. No shakes or vibrations. Brakes straight. The brakes are 90% in the front and rear. Mentioned the stereo was in op. I noticed it powers up, but don't get any sound out of it. And your minor powertrain weeps from a car that's driven, nothing out of the ordinary. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Impalas no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Let's take a look at this interior. Good look at the door panels. And you'll see every angle of this interior in the still pictures also. No rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. 6x9s on that back deck lid already installed. Headliner looking good, visors in place. I think we need to fire up this big block. Again, 396 paired up with this 4-speed. There you can hear that mild cam. Here's the fuel gauge came up, is working. There's a tack, dash mounted over here. And aftermarket gauges. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure. And here you can see the radio power's up, but I've not gotten sound out of it. SS badging on the interior. Dash. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Like I said, nice little rumble coming out of that big block. Nothing over the top, but nice rumble. Got a couple little imperfections on the hood. They're really tough to see. They're minor, being pretty fussy. But would like to make you aware of them. Still be a fun car for local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Hood liner and engine bay. So aluminum radiator. I believe there was a dual electric fan setup. Like a newer alternator. HEI ignition, and there you can see the headers. Edelbrock 4-barrel. Edelbrock intake manifold. That thing's running smooth. Even with that mild cam. All right, 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS, real SS, 2-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1966 Chevrolet Impala. This is a 4-speed manual on the floor for the most fun. Fuel gauge showing a little less than a quarter of a tank. We've got gauges under the dash from Summit showing us 180 degrees for the water temperature and 55 to 60 psi for the oil pressure. Let's go see how she does on the highway. Nice running car, very strong runner. That little rattle is the clutch pedal. I put my foot lightly on it, it goes away. The wipers work, the heater and blower motor also working on this car on a cool day in Minnesota. We have a tachometer over here, appears to be the factory tach, and that's working. Speedometer also working, says we're doing 55 miles an hour. The left turn signal indicator is working as it should. Nice bright red interior, going well against that white. The seats are very vibrant red bucket seats up front. Nice floor mats also, and showing the Super Sport logo. The brakes work as they should. They're also very smooth on the road. No pulsation or anything like that. Let's go to second gear for the traffic circle here. Corners the way you'd expect for a 66 full-size Chevy. Though this is a 2-door, a little smaller than full-size. I would suspect actually that the official designation would be this is a mid-size car for the 1966 year. What do you think? Well, the steering wheel's canted slightly to the right, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Great cruising car. Easy to drive and fun going down the road. Check out all the pictures of this 66 Impala at UniqueClassicCars.com.